Ki jingkiew bagi khobor ki baman la kesni na kwasi ka channel siang bahal subscribe na menta.
Sir, as per the reply of the Honorable Minister, but sir, it seems that it does not translate on the ground, sir. So price rise is a very serious issue. It has affected badly, especially for the common man. So now we have received information, sir, that almost every week there is an increase in the price of rice. So there is a saying, among the people that the main reason for the cause of price rise is because of many extortion that is taking place in the state. So these businessmen, in order to recover, they have to increase the price. So maybe I want to know whether the government has been informed, is aware that one of the reasons for the cause of increase in price rise in essential commodities is because of extortion that is taking place in different forms. Because it's increasing every week, sir. For months, for 4 or 5 months now, it has crossed 500s. Say 5 months back, the rise of the price is 100 per packet. Now it has started 16. So this is a very serious issue, sir. I want to know whether the government is aware of that fact, whether that is true or not. The reason that led to the price rise in essential commodities.
So, the price rise is not in our state only. I think all over India, because this is the external factor, like insufficient food production, timing of monsoon season, increased fuel price, labor costs, growing population, supply and demands imbalance, and climate change with increased extreme weather events, including drought, storm, or insufficient rain. All these factors contribute to price rise or inflation.
So in that case, may I know from the minister in charge whether the increasing in the rate of rise every week is as per the notification of the government?
Sir, we have the district monitoring vigilance committee regarding this, to control this, to check all this price rise in all the districts. That's why I already replied. We capture all 3 local market daily by using mobile app with the GPS coordination. All districts, they do all this prevention for these essential commodities.
So because, sir, the increase in price is not happening quietly or in the sense of a black market. If you go to the market in Yodo, they will sell, say, 1,000 this week per packet, and next week they will sell 1,200. So is that considered as a price being notified by the government or a black market in that case?
Sir, we have this Prevention of Black Marketing, Supply of Essential Commodities Act 1980 and Essential Commodities Act 1955 are both implemented, and action taken report to the office under both Act as updated and reviewed time to time on the portal of the Ministry of www.fwcinfoweb.nic.in ECR by the 10th of every month. You can go through this website, you can see all this price all over India. In the month of March and April 2020, there was a heat wave that affected the sowing period, and with the late arrival of monsoon, production was affected, which caused the increase of price.